What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about stellar lumens today. I want to make this video quick because I got some food cooking. You might hear it in the background, but I'm kind of tooting my horn here because I think we're seeing exactly what I discussed in the last video that I talked about stellar lumens. It was on this day, July 14th, on this candle here. I feel like I've very accurately called this one. For once, I got like an accurate call. You know, I took this fib here. You can go back and watch the video. It was like a 6-minute video, top to bottom. I was saying that we would likely pull back to this 236, and then I literally said that we likely wouldn't go above this high in the next few days, but sometime next week. Well, here we are in the next week. We would have a daily close that's above this high, giving us bearish divergence on the daily, which we have now, and then we'd probably see our real move down again. And then I think the real move, or like the low of this, will probably be lower than 12.5 cents. But that's about where we bottomed. I would think that this 618 here is in play, and that 618 right there is right around like 10, 11 cents, something like that. So that I think we're going to make our way down to that price ultimately for stellar. It's this previous high area. We might find support on previous areas of resistance. We do have bearish divergence forming right now. Even on, if we go down to the 1 hour, we've got bearish divergence forming. If I was to put this fib back on up here, I would, you know, it could go higher from here. It could, you know, be damned with what I have to say, but looking at it on the 1 hour, we did just find a little tip right on the 382, like right there, having this bearish divergence forming, you know. And if today closes green or red or whatever, we've got bearish divergence formed on the daily. I would think that we see some kind of move down. And could we go below the 236 here and still be okay? Yes, I think we can. So ultimately, I would expect that we have a move lower, anywhere from, you know, this previous low that we just bounced off, which is about 12.5 cents, to, in my opinion, a more likely area would be around 11 cents. Just below 11 cents would be the 0.618. And we could go even lower than that. You know, stellar lumens could go, you know, if it wanted to, it could go all the way down to 10 cents. So I would say anywhere between like 10 and 12.5 cents is where the price will likely go from here. To invalidate that, to kind of prove that wrong, we would have to get above this high, which isn't too far away. You know, we're at 17.3 cents right now. To invalidate this, get above, you know, grow more than 13% from here, and we can start talking. But I do think that we've got all kinds of bearish divergences forming on different time frames. So I don't know, if this 4 hour closes this green, then maybe I'll eat my words on that. You know, I don't know, but if it comes down a little bit and we can have this like more short-term bearish divergence, I mean, to a certain point you got a high here and it's definitely a lower high. You got a high here, it's definitely a higher high. But regardless, if this thing in the next 20 minutes comes down just a little bit, it wouldn't take much, like not even a half cent, maybe about a half cent, you would likely have bearish divergence formed here on the 4 hour as well as the 1 hour. And then that would look bad for the short term, which would inevitably probably lead us to bearish divergence on the daily. So anybody in stellar, you know, if I was in stellar, if I got caught buying this top, you know, you got a second chance to sell up here now. If you bought this low down here, you know, it's potentially a good profit taking zone. If you went long, or if you just bought, I mean, you're up about 40% right now. So it could go up higher from here. It is totally possible, but I don't think so. I really I would expect that we're going to see a rejection from these areas, as is common. It's not, you know, it's not totally unexpected. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.